Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm back with a special episode for Gandhi Jayanti, and that's a pop-up card. Okay, so these are things which you would need. You would need 2 A4 sheets which are folded in half like this. Then an orange color sheet. I've taken an A4 sheet. You can take a smaller paper also. Then green color paper. You can take any size of paper, no problem. Then few colors of color pens. I've taken sketch pens. You can use normal color pens as well. Blue is needed for our craft. Any other 2-3 colors you can take of your choice. Then you need ruler. Then you need some glue. Then I've taken designer scissors since I have this. If you don't have, you can draw using a pencil and cut it out using normal scissors. Okay. Then I am having some glitter tape. You can use these types of tape or these types of tapes also. I am going to use this, and make sure the tape you take, the color should be orange, silver or white and green. Don't use any other color because that will mess up the color of the Indian flag. Then scissors and then a pencil. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first you need one of your A4 sheets, then the green color paper and the orange paper, and scissors and glue. Okay, now first you need to take the orange color paper and then just keep it onto this paper and measure a bit of length, leaving a bit of space. And okay, so I've cut it out like this. You need to cut it out in a small strip like this so that we can stick it out here. Then next you need your green paper. Even this you need to cut it out like this. Okay, so I've cut this also like that. Okay, now you need to stick this onto this paper. So I've taken the first paper. Done sticking these papers, and I have drawn an Ashoka chakra also in the middle. I have drawn this using color pens. You can also do the same. And I have written a small quote of Mahatma Gandhi. Let's go to the next step. Okay, so I have taken the next paper, next white color A4 sheet. Now turn this like this. This side is the opening side. Now here you need to measure 3 centimeter and then draw a line which goes on till 9 centimeter and then just join this here. Okay, now you need to cut this from here and here. No need to cut even here, then the paper will come out. So you need to open this, it will be like this. So just take this out and fold it like this and just push it inside. Okay, you need to push this inside and fold this here like this. See, so this is how it will be. So this is the pop-up. Now you need to take a strip of black paper. It should be like this. So if you keep it from this line where we folded, it should not go too much on top of the page. Okay, now you need to stick this. So I'm done sticking this. Now you need to stick a small flag. I've drawn this on paper. Take a white paper and stick orange color and green color and draw a small Ashoka chakra. And you need to stick this also here. So this is also done. Now I have taken 2 color pens, green and pink. So I am just going to do a small design here. So I am done drawing some small stars on both the sides. Next we need to take glitter tapes, and then here on this place where it comes like this, you need to stick the tape. Now it has come like this. See, it will come like this. Okay, now you need to take your black paper and draw a spectacle on it using pencil and then cut it out. So this is what I've done. So like this you need to do, and we need to stick it here. So I am done sticking this paper. Now I'm just going to write something below this, and make sure you don't stick these spectacles or anything in this corners, because we are going to do a small decoration even there. So I'm done writing this also. You can write anything you like. Now let's do the decoration which we are going to stick here. So to make that, I've taken 3 strips of 3 colors, orange, green and white. So the orange color sheet measurement is 16 into 2 centimeter. The green sheet and the white sheet is 15 into 2 centimeter. Now you need to glue this together. So this is how it will look. As I've showed you, you need to stick it like this, and you need to make one more strip like this, same as we made this and the same measurement. Now we need to glue them together. So this is how it will be after doing that step which I showed you. Okay, so just like this, I've made one more. Okay, so you need to make 2 like this. So now this is ready. Now let's go to the next step. So I've taken the first A4 sheet and the second A4 sheet which we have prepared. See, this one and this one. Now you need to glue them together. So you need to apply glue in all these 4 corners and then stick this paper inside it. Allow it to dry. So this is how it will look, and when you open it should be like this. See, then this is the pop-up. Okay, now bring in this which we have made, and you need to glue this onto this paper. So for that, you need to apply some glue on the top of this and then stick it here. You can allow this to dry. So this is done drying. Now even here, you need to apply some glue and stick it here. You need to stick it about the middle of the page, even here. And make sure you don't elongate it too much or else the paper will tear. So just like we did here, you need to stick here. So it has completed drying, and now just to give it a final touch, this is entirely optional. I am going to stick some tape here and all. You can do any other designs or decoration of your choice. So I completed sticking some tape on all these edges. You can also stick tape, or you can use any other decorative materials and give a small design there. Okay, so that's it. Our greeting card is ready. So hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please like, share, comment, and also if you're watching our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Watch you guys in the next video.